Oh, wow! Oh, look at this amazing laboratory. And all right, who are they? Hmm, he might be a doctor or a scientist, and the younger one, maybe his son, nephew, or a student. I don't know. Oh, here we have the first part of the story. Professor Lindenbrock examines an ancient manuscript. He knows that the document reveals a secret, the existence of a passage to the center of the earth. His nephew, Axel, is watching him curiously while he reads attentively. They are discussing the adventure with enthusiasm. Oh, there is a special name. Do we have to get in? Okay, let's go, right? All right. Whoa, oh, wow! Look at these colors. Hey, where are we? What a beautiful forest. Super strange. It has lots of trees and flowers that I've ever seen before. And tiny lights in the ground. What are they? How can we make these tiny plants grow? Oh, the ground is shaking. Hey, here we have the first text we just read, but there are missing words now. We need to complete it. Sure that magical things will happen. Let's do it. Professor Lindenbrock. An ancient manuscript. And we have two present simple options, examines or examine. Let me think. Professor Lindenbrock is a man. So if I would have to think about the personal pronoun, it's pointing, it would be he. So saying that, remember, in a present simple, we need an S or an ES after the verb. So he examines, right? Am I right? Professor Lindenbrock examines an ancient manuscript. Wakala! Hey, look at that light under the ground. It became a beautiful tree. Love it. Let's keep reading. That document reveals a secret, the existence of a passage to the center of the earth. And options are again just in the present simple. No or knows. If we have he, it has to be knows with the S, right? Yes! And another light! Look at this beautiful bush with purple flowers. Love it. His nephew Axel is him curiously while he reads attentively. So got it. Now we have one option in present simple, watch, and the other one in the present continuous, watching. But how could I know? Remember, if I have the form of the verb to be is, Axel is, he is, for sure I need an ing after. Yes, so let me just say Axel is watching him curiously while he reads attentively. Am I right? Boom, boom, boom! Okay, and from one light we got two beautiful trees. Love it! The final one. They are discussing the adventure with enthusiasm. And are the adventure? Okay, the options are one in present simple, plan, and they are plan the adventure. And the other one in present continuous, planning. They are planning the adventure. Can you guess? I think it sounds much better, are planning. Yes? And remember that we have here the form of the verb to be are. So for sure is the verb with the suffix ing. Present continuous. Yeah. Oh, whoa. Look at this beautiful forest. You like it? I love it. Guys, it's time to keep exploring. Let's get in the nave.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kiddos, again working with the present simple and the present continuous. Let's remember the usage and the form. Look, and as we have it a little bit light, we are going to practice and trace over. So, the present simple is the tense we use to talk about habits, facts, and frequent situations, right? Like things we do very regularly. For example, let's see if my pen wants to work. Yes, I read books. Always, like almost every day, right? And the present the present simple, its form, it's very easy. It's just the verb in infinitive. But we have to remember that for the third person, he or she, we need to put the S or the ES. So let's go. I read books. You read books. He and she reads books. So here we need to raise the S. Yes, she reads books. Then you read books. We read books. And they read books, right? And now let's go for the present continuous. The present continuous is the tense we use to talk about the things happening. Right now, or in a short future. Like I am reading books now. Yes? And then for the form, we just need to remember to add the form of the verb to be plus the verb ending in ing. I am reading. You are reading. He and she is reading. You two are reading. We are reading. And they are reading, right? And then with the red marker or pen, you just go through the forms of the verb to be, are, and es, and the ing at the end, okay? You are reading right now. We are, yes, and they are reading. Now let's do this activity together. Complete the text. What is the best word? Professor Lidenbrock, an ancient manuscript. Okay, Professor Lidenbrock knows, yes, could be an ancient manuscript. Watching, no, it has to be present simple. So present simple knows or examines. I don't know one, if this one or that one is the one in here, so let's just wait. Professor Liedenbrock, an ancient manuscript. He, that the document reveals a secret. He knows. Okay, I think that I know now. Professor Liedenbrock examines, right? Examines an ancient manuscript. He knows, yes, he knows there's a secret, that the document reveals a secret. The existence of a passage to the center of the earth. His nephew, Axel, is watching him. These are discussing. No, this cannot be because we have are, and here we have is. So it's watching or planning. His nephew, Axel, is planning him, is watching. Is watching is the only one that makes sense. Is watching him while reads attentively. They are planning the adventure. They are planning the adventure with enthusiasm and are discussing. Yes, we have the hint here. And are discussing. Oh, I don't know now. Wait a second. I think that we could do they are discussing here and planning down as well. So these two make sense in any of these two options. They are discussing the adventure with enthusiasm and are planning the adventure immediately, or the other way around. They are planning the adventure with enthusiasm and are discussing the adventure immediately. Good job, guys. Let's keep working.